because we have to drive slow between 10 to 15 minutes time before I get there. Everyone has to take their time and go through the water that is settled on the road. If you don't have to come out at this time, I would advise it, because I had to come out and go to the pharmacy. I just had to come out, but look at it. Look at the road. One thing for sure, rain can't stop anyone from going out to do what they have to do. If you're walking, you use an umbrella. If you're riding, you can use a raincoat. You're driving, you're covered. When you're gonna get out the vehicle, all you need is an umbrella. Look at the water. Wow. You can't imagine people walking on the road. Sad situation for them. All this dirty water splashing upon them. I wouldn't want to be in that position right now, to be walking on the road. This area has a lot of potholes, so we really have to be careful. Can't drive fast at all. Let us settle out. Look how beautiful that is. So much banana trees. So many banana trees planted along the road. Anybody that did this was a great idea. Yeah. Sometimes they have corn and okra as well. But I always admire. I don't know the farmer. I don't know the farmer, but I always admire the way he plants the bananas along the side of the road. I'm laughing because you can see the motion of the vehicle. Oh my God. Life in Jamaica. Life in Jamaica. Look at this road. Whenever they say they do road repairs, they don't do a good job. And as the rain fall, the water damage it again. That don't make any sense. Callaloo, them look nice. Somebody selling callaloo. Long time I don't buy any callaloo like that. Yeah, we always have there's always some callaloo farmers in this area. Because they live, they plant the callaloo close to the river. Is that a cone in the road? I wonder who put it there. No, they fix it. Oh. But they should have removed it. And see one tire up there, so. But it don't look like he fixed. Look at that. You have some guys that would come out in the road and bring a little cement mixture and try to patch some of the holes and ask for a little donation. But they themselves don't do a good job. Yeah. But if I'm passing by and I see them doing it, I always give them something. The river full by now, not true? More farmers. Beside, this is the river, Cabarita River. So they always do a lot of farming beside the river. You know, they have the water to supply the plants. Oops. Oops. Oh my God. Feels like an earthquake. No, sir. What can go? So I wonder if they will still have Callaloo when we come back, because they look like they might finish. Better we get it now. Going for the cut up one, right? Alright, let me see if I can. Can I get a bag of the cut up Callaloo, please? How much is it? 300? Thank you, sir. So that's the, you see the Callaloo, them are then fresh and pretty. Thank you, sir. Yeah, this is the Callaloo vendor. $1,000. So you see, the gentleman come out and still are doing business with his umbrella. Rain can't stop the farmer from selling. Right here, Haley. The young lady that always out here is your daughter?
Your niece.
Your niece? I always admire, you know. Thank you. Alright, thanks. That's the farmer selling his callaloo. And the bag of callaloo is for $300. So how much is for the leaf one? $250 for that one, but because you do the job, you have to charge something extra. Yeah man, thank you. Alright. So we just bought some callaloo. Nice fresh greens, you know. Locally grown. This is a high school in my area. Yeah, we have to support the local farmers, you know. Can't buy everything from the supermarket, not because it's convenient, and the local grown one is much better, of course. A lot of people might say, oh, they don't buy cut up callaloo because they don't trust the people that's cutting it up, that, you know, maybe they're not handling it well, clean and all sorts of things. But I wash it, I soak it in water, and I strain it off properly before I cook it. I don't have a problem with it. It's more convenient. Soup man is out as well. I don't know, maybe when I'm passing back, I'll get some soup. I always enjoy that soup. It's raining again. This area is getting rain again. And as I say, because we can't drive fast, it's taking us a little time to reach the pharmacy. But travel with me until I get there. See the big splash? Rainy day. At least it makes the time a little cooler. So I think tonight will be cool. Here's some cows. I think the cows are they're enjoying the rain, and I think so. Makes them cool. Look at them. Walking so peacefully along the road. These cows know how to cross road too, you know. They block traffic all the time. Oops. You better hold on good, but you're the truck back and cover up. Oh God. I don't care who want to overtake us. We're taking our own sweet time. This corner always looks scary when the car is coming around. Feels like we're gonna get a head on. They're so bad too. The road when I fixed the other day, brake out back. Wow. Well, when we reach up there, maybe see it. Don't make any sense. This road need a proper fixing. Proper fixing. Oh, they have another vendor out here. Sell food. Market stuff. Look, bad road. The whole stretch. Bad road. Yeah, so thank you for traveling with me. Yeah, man. The rain is pouring hard outside again. But as I say, have to go. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Yeah. Oops. Oh my God. This is Jamaica. Country road. I don't know if you can hear the rain. Don't know if you can hear the rain, but I'm gonna turn back the camera and show you guys what's going on. Why they can't cut down these bush two side of the road? Oh man, these bush won't cut down. If you should have a breakdown all on late night and so here, so you're bound for afraid. I have to feel scared. My God. Bush. Come away with me tonight. I think we're about, what, 5 minutes away now? 5 minutes away from the pharmacy. Small car rental business. Rivers along the roadway. Like you can come and throw a fishing line. Wonder if there's fishes in the water, because it's really like a river. When you watch this video, you have to feel like you're in Jamaica, traveling along the country road with me. Yeah. If you want to come and experience all this, Jamaica is always a vacation. You can come any time of the year. Breakdown in the road. I think rain going to fall into the night. Whole evening gonna be rain. Maybe some of you will watch the video and know where I am. But I'm not gonna say. If you wanna guess, you can take a guess. You can leave a comment saying, oh, I know this area, or I don't know this area. Please give the video a thumbs up. I'm not gonna say. I'm entering a little town now, and I'm gonna be asking you if you know where I am right now. It's a very old church. Does anyone know this area? It's a very small world. It might seem big, but it's a small world. I know there's someone gonna be watching to say, yes, I know where you are right now. I almost gave away the answer. The name of the place is written on the wall. I hope I didn't catch it in the video. I'm like a minute away from my destination now. I'm gonna be pulling over to the pharmacy in an another 30 seconds or so. Children walking home in the rain. Some of them don't even have an umbrella. Some of you might know the school uniform as well. See? Yeah, yeah. Where the white car is. And block the way.
Water.
Oh, water. Yeah. Turning over now. And they've patrolled the underwater. See? Motorcyclists. Yeah. So I'm at the pharmacy now. And this is where I will end my video. Thank you so much for watching.